might be the right spot for it. We seem to be holding just above there, just beneath the current low down there at 86. Sell a unit at 86 beneath the current low. I'm not quite sure which way this is going to go. We seem to be developing a line lower here with lower lows and lower highs, but after all the scratch trades we've had this morning, I don't know, maybe it's going to be the same sort of thing where it spikes down and right away comes back up, and we got to make sure that we're out before it flies higher. To be a buyer in this from here, tell you what, above that, up at 84.09, put a buy stop in for a unit at 84.09 also. And if we go, it looks like we're going up there right now. If we could get up there and go through, that probably means we're going to be heading higher. And if we are, then in that case, we're going to want to be on the long side of this for another move up. I kind of thought we'd get down to the mid-50s on this. Wait, whoa, came down, just got filled. Okay, we got filled. Bring your stop down to above that prior high. Bring your stop down to 05. Right away, stop down to 05. It's a 20 tick. We came right back up to our point of entry just about, but we flatlined there with some orders. So I think, well, it's probably, yeah, okay. Whoever it is who pushed this down is protecting themselves there at the 85 level also. Not quite ready to bring our stop down to closer yet because there's so much just like airball up there. Maybe we go up and go through it too. We do have that those prior lows there though, so it looks like the 87 area is supposed to be our resistance. We're holding below it, and below, well, we're right at our point of entry again. Well, let's see. We got to stop up above. It's a bit further away than I'm comfortable with, just about 20 ticks, but that's the way this one's going to play out, I guess. We do have lower lows and lower highs, so that's a good thing at this point, at least. If we break, we're gonna bring our stop to break even right away. Though, if we break, if we can come down here and make it a convincing lower low here on this, and we're just about there now. Through, yeah, bring your stop down to break even right now. Stop down to break even, and we'll just enter a second unit below the current low, down at 68. Enter a second unit at 68. I think that, yeah, if as long as we stay, okay, we made a lower high, we made a lower low followed by another lower high, slightly a higher low. Let's see what happens here. Maybe we'll come up here and get tagged on this one. Maybe it'll come up and take out our stop there at 86. But again, it'll be like just another scratch trade. Oh, we just got filled. Got filled on the second unit. Bump your stop up to 2 units on this. And I'm a little reluctant to bring a stop into break even at this point because we're so close to it. We could easily get snagged on it if we do. I think it's 86 is still the right place, but that's well, on 2 units, it's 7 ticks on 2 units. I guess we're going to have to live with that, with the way this is slightly lower low here, and that is a good thing. I think though we want to get our stop down to as quickly as we can to a break-even level, but we want to see. This is too close to add a 3rd unit also, obviously, and with as messy as this is here, with all this overlapping stuff, we're only making slightly lower lows here too. So that does give me some cause for concern in this. We're only making slightly lower lows, and that's not too encouraging. So, okay, we break to 60. Go ahead and bring your stop down to break even right now. Bring it down. Broke again. Okay, stop down to break even. And slightly lower low, bounce up here. Give yourself a few ticks in the trade. I'll bring it down to 76 or so, 75, somewhere in that vicinity. Broke again. Great. Down. All the way down. We're down in the 40s. Good job. Okay, we got below that 50s area that I was thinking about. Maybe this comes down. Maybe we get down to even on this. Oh, big rise there. What we want to do here, I think, on this is with the way this is working out, I think we want to bring ourselves closer to the different points at which bring a stop down to 71 now. Stop down to 71. It gives us some room, a little bit of profit in the trade. I think what we're going to do is we're going to bring the stop down. We're going to manage our stop lower based upon the highs from which we break lower. 71 doesn't really qualify. The last spot will be up there in the low 80s, but you know, our price is already below that, so we got a little bit in the trade here. Okay, so now that would be at this most recent high here. So if we come down and break below this current low here, we're going to bring our stop down to, we would bring our stop down to 60. If we break below this low down here at 41. Alright, looks like we're coming. Well, maybe we can be, I think we're going to come down and well, maybe we come, this is congested. We're also, we've just come back up here and overlapped the little spot that we were at, so, this is odd. And maybe we come down and make a slightly lower low here, and then bounce up. No, we're all the way back up to the prior high there. Oh, okay, we just bounced up here and made a slightly higher high. I don't know about this. Starting to come down a little bit, but it's already over a 20 tick range between the most recent low, or the lowest recent low, in this last high we just made. But it does look like it's a corrective pattern, and I guess truth to tell is whether or not. Tell you, bring your stop down to 65. Bring it down to 65. We'll protect it right there and get a little bit more in the trade in case it comes up and taps us out. Okay, it's broken down some more. Whether well, maybe we come down. We might, if we come back up, we're at a good spot, and we got over 10 ticks in the trade on 2 units. If it keeps going, it's more congestive stuff in here. If we break to a new low, our stop is where it is. We can move down another tick if we want, or maybe, okay, we broke down to a new low. Okay, down to the low 30s, down to the low 30s on this. Bring your stop down to the 10 ticks. Bring it down to 55 to double. Bring your stop down to double. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try to do a third unit. I'll get fouled up if I do that. At this, pardon me. At this point, so we got our stop here, and great. Now we're below that 41. Question is, do we stay below the 41? I'm a little reluctant to move ourselves down to the 10. Okay, now, go ahead now. Bring your stop down to 45 now. Another 10 ticks in this. Great. Stop down to 45. And hopefully, if it's going to go any further, we've given it plenty of room. Touch wood. Gosh, we're down 20s now. Into the 20s. Okay. Into the 20s. We've got 30 ticks in this already on 2 units. 2 units only, but that's okay. Into 2 units. And looks like we have a chance to break here again. We got 2 highs up there. Okay, we're at 39 twice. We made a slightly lower low here, so we would come down the last high. I think it's worth. Yeah, bring it down. Bring your stop down to 40, and it's only 5 ticks, but it's 5 more ticks of profit. Okay, drop down again. Great. Stop down to 40 now. We're bouncing back up. We've overlapped that 25. Whoa, we slapped right away. We got some volume there on that. Got a little bit of volume on that spot. So, back down, double bottom here. Double bottom. Coming back up here. 29 or 28 or whatever it is. Oh, higher high, 31. We trade to 31. Up to 31. And it does look like it was all congestive, but I don't know, one of these is going to come up and I get the feeling that one of these is going to rally more unless we just break wide open. Right here, right at the close, right at this prior low, we are awfully close to this 31 even level, so it looks like we might try to. Okay, there we go, new low. Bring your stop down to 32 now, just above that prior high. Stop to 32, above that prior high, and this is broken down here. We're aiming at getting below the 10, and I think we go straight down to even on this. There we go. Okay, below 10. Whoa, what's that? What's that? Wow, we're already above that 16 or 15 double bottom we have there. Double bottom we have there at 15. We already overlapped that up. Well, I don't know. Wow, right up. Oh, just got stopped out. Just got stopped. Well, good trade. Good trade. We got 45 ticks on 2 units. Good job. Good profit. That makes up for all of the work we did for break-even trades earlier. All the work with seeming nothing behind it, but this time we got paid, so that's a very good thing. So that's what, a few hundred ticks. Good job. Okay, now let's get focused, stay focused here. Looks like this is a pretty big, this is the biggest rally we've had yet since this down move, so that means we have to